Hi, welcome to Sean B TV. No funny videos today. Today we're going to learn about something. Duchenne's muscular dystrophy? Well, for short, let's call it DMD. DMD is real common. It affects 1 in every 3,500 boys. Age range from 1 to 6 years of age. Girls can get it too, but it's really rare. Muscles play a big part in how kids grow up. Kids with DMD have muscles that do not work like they should. It's kind of hard to tell if someone has DMD. They usually have problems jumping and hopping, as my friend would demonstrate. Okay, get out of here. People with DMD usually get up from a seated position using a move called Gower's maneuver. Or they might walk on their tiptoes because their Achilles tendon tightens up. The earlier you discover DMD, the better. There's no cure, but treatments come out all the time. Physical therapists has been shown to help slow down DMD if caught early enough. Well, if you have any more questions, you can ask this guy. Sean B, holla at your boy.